All right, so I got my tires in yesterday. I ordered them the day before yesterday. It only took overnight to get here. I thought they were going to be here by Tuesday. And I put them on. I've also ordered a 6-inch lift kit, which I'm not sure if I want 6 inches or not. I kind of like this look here. But the issue is, it's so close in tolerance that all it takes is one big bump to rub the tires. So I've made a trip around the neighborhood once or twice, and I see a little tiny rub right there. And these are 12-inch tires, and maybe a little bit. No, that's not rubbed there. As you can see, it appears like it has adequate clearance. That may not be rubbed back there, I don't know, but I'm gonna set you down right here and you can watch as I turn the wheel. So if you turn like that, that's like a ½ inch right there. So if you turn like that and you hit a big bump, it's probably gonna rip something off. And here's kind of your pivot point right here. But we're good out here. So I'm gonna say you put a 2-inch lift on here, you'd probably be just fine. See, because this is like a ½ inch or 3/4 of an inch right here. I'd imagine if you don't want to lift it up high, the 12-inch tires bring it up a little bit. I would say that you can probably put a 2 inches on it, and it'll make a 2-inch lift. Well, they have a 2-inch spacer bar you can get. I'm gonna put you right here. And we're gonna do a little speed thing. And on the other speed, if you saw the last video, last speed test video, I was doing 12, 13, 12, 13. Now I was doing, looks like it picked up maybe about 1.5 an hour. It's bouncing between 14 and 15. I need to get me a club because somebody's dog gets loose. I'm not going to be a chew toy. Let's go on and head down the street here. I want to make sure that dog wasn't chasing me. Because I don't believe 15 miles an hour is fast enough to get away from an angry dog. Somebody left their dog in the car, and it's a hot day today. I imagine he's probably dying to get out and get a drink of water. Squirrel! Let me get my phone, so I want to tip it over. I'm going to pull over right here for a minute and wait for this vehicle to get by. It did hit 16 miles an hour at one time. See right there, it says high speed 16. But I like to get one of those, change out the speed magnet, but the problem with the speed magnet is my motor is so old that it doesn't have that little magnet thing. I have to change out the motor, just send it in to that Purple people and have them rebuild it. Alright, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Please ask a question, make a comment, and like and subscribe if you get a chance. Thank you.